Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Beer of the Week. I am Garrett coming at you with another beer for this week, of course, and this week being a very important one. Happy Oktoberfest, everybody. Well, at least not in this day and age, not this year. The original Oktoberfest in Germany was canceled, unfortunately, but that doesn't mean we can't celebrate it over here in the good old Canada. A little bit about Oktoberfest, actually. Obviously, the biggest one is in Munich, Germany, every single year. And it's funny, it's called Oktoberfest, but the majority of the festival actually takes place in September. The festival usually runs for about 15 to 18 days from mid-September to the first Sunday of October, but it's more so known as Oktoberfest, even though we're drinking mostly in September. This week we have a Calabia German style beer for everybody, and we're gonna be taste testing this one. So, a little bit about the Calabia and my terrible German accent. Keller beer roughly translates to cellar beer, and for good reason. So this beer started being brewed back in the Middle Ages or so, and at that point in time they actually didn't have any refrigeration. Go figure. So what do you think they did to make their beer? What they would do is they brew it in the cooler months, obviously to help with the whole process and make sure nothing gets spoiled. And then they would cool it and lager it in caves over the warmer months so that you'd have that cool, clean, consistent lagering process that wouldn't ruin the beer by any nature. The beer we are drinking this week is a Keller beer, as I said before, once again with my terrible German accent, from Boshkung Brewing. They are up in just north of Peterborough in Minden, Ontario. Give them a look up, really cool guys. Really great beer. So cheers to that. Cheers to Oktoberfest. Prost. Hope everyone is enjoying their Oktoberfest. That is the beer of the week for this episode. We'll see everybody next time. Craft beer is here. Cheers.